Aloha. All right, so this is going to be the solution guide for this page. This is still page 21. These are the bottom two at the of the page. So again, if you want to copy this down, you can. When we include it is if it's a equal sign, and that means it's a solid line. Less than means we're shading below. Greater than means we're shading above. Things that you got to get down, and we'll keep practicing. So for this first one, I'll kind of do this first one in detail. And here your slope is at 4 and your b value is at -3. That's where you begin. And then our slope is up 4 over 1, up 4 over 1, up 4 over 1, or down 4 left 1. This thing right here, again, tells you that you are having a solid line and that you are greater than or equal to. So that means greater than, you're shading it above. So solid line, oh my Lanta, pretend that's straight. And we are shading, oh, I wanted to do that first. We are shading above that line. So this shaded region represents everything that is going to be bigger than or equal to 4x minus 3. This is so fun. It's like coloring all over again. Awesome sauce. So moving on. The second line will go have a slope of 1 and a b value of -1. So we're starting at 0, -1. And it's got a slope of up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, or down 1 left 1. This thing says that I want to be strictly less than that, which means it's going to be dashed. And less than means I'm shading below. So let's bring out our dashed line and try to draw it straight. Did it. And strictly below is going to look like that. So just looking at this line, I'm graphing everything that is below it. So everything in this this blue color represents a solution to that inequality line, and anything that's in the overlap represents a solution that satisfies both of them. So all of the points that are in here, any single point that you pick will satisfy both this line and the second line. Oh, I also said that you could, oh, you wrote it up there, so you could say like this should be solid, this should be dashed, just in case you forget to erase it, or if you forget to draw a dash. That happens all the time. All right, so I'm okay if you want to go back in and write that in. This is line 1, this is line 2. All right. Oh yeah, I also did this in the other video, so I'll do it again. So like this whole area right here, where there's that overlap, that's where all of your solutions are, and it goes on forever down like that. So we got 4 regions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each region, this one satisfies nothing, this one only satisfies the first one, this one only satisfies the second one, and this one satisfies both. All right, let's go through and do this other one. So this one starts at 0, 2, and it's going to go have a slope of 1/2, so it's going up 1 over 2, or left 1, or down 1, left 2, sorry. This means that it's solid line. And we want strictly greater than, which means we are shading above. So I want to shade everything up there, above that line. Nope, I want to be yellow, back up. Try to be consistent here. That looks good. Let's see here, and this is line 1, and we want it to be solid. All right, ooh, line 2, this is another one of our special cases. So this is line 1, this is line 2. So line 2 is going to be a horizontal line. I'm sorry, scratch that. It's a vertical line. We got x is greater than -1. So here's again, the x-axis, and we want to be greater than -1. So this is where -1 is on the x-axis. And x equals -1 would be a vertical line going through here. These are all of the different points that have an x value of -1. So this thing tells me that it should be dashed, and we want to be strictly greater than -1. Well, on the x-axis, greater than is the more positive numbers are to the right on the x-axis. So we should be shooting off to the right. Oh, I wanted to make this dashed. Hold on. Here we go. Get out of here. So here is a vertical dashed line going through. Oh, that's already there. And we want to be greater than that line. So that means we're shading, in this case, to the right, because all of the x values that are bigger than -1 are to the right, like 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever. So if I were to shade that region, here's all of the numbers on the graph that we are seeing that are, greater than 1. Ignore this little blurb down there. I don't know how I can delete that without redoing the whole thing. Gotta be a little bit more careful here, huh? Alright, there we go. Oh, come on. Trying to do this with the mouse is so much fun. Alright. So ignore this little blurb down there. That got funky. Alright, so all of the solutions are going to be where this is overlapping. I guess I didn't need to do that because it was already a different color, but there it is. So this whole region right here is all the numbers that are bigger than this line and all the numbers that are bigger than that line. We did it. Good job, guys. Ciao for now.